गुड मॉर्निंग डियर किड्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ए बी से बनने वाले लेटर। ए फॉर एप्पल, ए फॉर ऑक्स, ए फॉर एलिगेटर, ए फॉर आंट, बी फॉर बॉल, बी फॉर बेंच, B for bag, B for biscuit, B for bee, C for carrot, C for cat, C for clock, C for cap, D for dog, D for deer, D for duck, E for egg, E for elephant, E for eggplant, E for elf, F for flower, F for fank, F for fairlight, F for family, F for french fries, F for fish, G for grasshopper, G for guava, G for grandma, G for grapes, G for goat, H for horse, H for hen, H for nut, H for hammer, H for helicopter, H for house, I for agana, I for injection, I for ink pot, I for invitation, I for eyeglass, J for jar, J for jelly, J for joker, J for jacket, J for jam. Thank you for watching my video.